Hello everyone. In this video, we will learn that how we can activate Google Bard extension. And we will see that how these extension will be helpful for us and how these extension can make our life fast and easier. If you are new to our channel, please do not forget to hit the subscribe button. So let's start. First of all, you have to type labs, Google Labs in your Google Chrome browser and you will see there is a website labs.google. You have to click on this link and you have to wait. When this whole page will appear in front of you, you just have to scroll down. After scrolling it, you will find out there is an option of Bard extension. Now Bard can access info from Google apps and services like YouTube, Gmail, and Maps, so you can bring your ideas into your life. So what you have to do, you have to click on Try It Now button, and a new page will appear in front of you, bard.google.com/extensions. And here you have to activate the you can activate different options as per your choice. Like I have already checked or activated the Google Flights, Google Hotels, Google Maps, and Google Workspace and YouTube option. You can simply activate all of these options, or you can choose as per your own choice. I'm going to explain that how you can use Google Bard extension of YouTube. So this option is already activated. You can simply move this button this side and this option will be activated when it turned blue. So this option has been activated. Now I'm going to YouTube and I'm going to take a video from YouTube. What this extension will do for me, I do not have to watch whole video, and I'm just simply giving this link of the video to the Google Bard, and it will tell me that what has been explained or told in the whole video. It will tell me that what kind of information has been given, and I can ask the follow-up question relevant to that video. So I'm going to select this video link and I'm going to Bard. So here I have already opened the bard.google.com. You can open this website, and this AI website will help me now to explain the whole video. So I'm going to write a prompt here, watch the video, and then I have to paste my control V to paste my YouTube link that I want that Google Bard explain this video and tell that what has been described or what has been told about cause and effect in this video. And I'm going to write describe the video in prompt and explain it. So I have to just simply click on the enter button, or you just press the submit button, and you have to wait, and Google Bard will tell you with the help of this YouTube extension that what's has been told in the video. This video is about cause and effect and how it can be difficult to determine whether one thing is actually causing another. The video uses the example of exercise and mood to illustrate this point. So in just few seconds, this Google Bard extension of YouTube has described the whole video. So there is no need to watch 1 hours or 2 hours or 3 hours video on YouTube. You just simply have to click the save, or you can copy the link of the video and you just have to simply paste here, and it will tell you what's the whole video is all about. And you can ask further question about this video, like tell me or give me another example of cause and effect. So it will tell me that what kind of other example that's already available related to cause and effect. Sure, it will provide some more example. What this extension can more tell me or help me in making my life easier and simple. Pause it if you want to find out what are the best videos available on YouTube related to research, related to fashion, related to certain cooking. You can simply type your prompt here, like I'm going to write it down, like find the best and top videos related to sampling techniques. So after enabling this option of YouTube Bard extension, now it can extend its research search to the Google, from Google Bar to YouTube, and it find out all of those videos which are available on YouTube, which are the best one and top one related to sampling techniques. So here it has provided two of the videos, sampling method 101 and research method 1 sampling techniques. And here is the videos links. You just have to simply click on the video, and here I'm going to click on the video, and it will automatically will lead me to the page of that video. So this is the whole way that you can use Google Bard extension of YouTube. In this video, I will only explain how you can use YouTube Bard extension. In the next video, we will see that how you can use other options of Google Bard
Hi,
extension,
this is
like
Dr.
how you can use Google Bard extension in Google Workspace, how you can read all of your emails in just 1 second, and how you can ask the Google Bard extension to read all of the email from a particular person and summarize them in just few seconds. We will see in the next video. I hope you have liked this video. Please do not forget to subscribe the button, and thank you for watching the video.